everyone. Sorry I'm not there today. I'm at a funeral, so today your assignment is going to be go ahead and take notes over meiosis. Now, like we've been doing, only take the notes over if it's red. That's what you're going to be asked to know for the quiz or test. So all the slides that have something that are red, make sure you know that for the quiz. And then after you get done taking notes, you're going to go back up and you have a assignment. Your assignment is going to be these meiosis questions. Now please make sure you're only using the information that is given to you from the notes. Please do not use the internet. It's going to talk about a little bit the difference between meiosis and mitosis, which we've been talking about. There are 6 questions. So, like I said, your assignment today is to go ahead and take notes over the meiosis notes, and then answer the questions over meiosis and mitosis.